Welcome, here I've got CAT S62 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the third position we have the camera sounds option, so by using this button we can easily turn them off and turn them on as we need, like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.